Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating sources and loading them into Power Query. This saves time later. Check column names and types because mismatches break relationships. Once loaded, make a small sample of 1, 0, 0, 0 to 10, 0, 0, 0 rows for fast iteration. Next, remove obvious duplicates and empty columns to reduce noise. This improves performance and clarity. While you work, keep an issue log of unexpected values. Since that documents assumptions and guides later transformations, make sure to save the query steps as you go. Now focus on transformations that enforce consistent semantics. Convert each column to the appropriate data type. Dates and decimals must be uniform because visuals depend on them. Once done, normalize text, trim whitespace, remove control characters, and standardize casing to avoid duplicate categories. Use split or merge columns for composite fields and add conditional columns to map messy values to canonical terms. For edge cases, write compact M expressions. They are powerful for row-level fixes. Make sure to test on your sample before applying globally. Finish by validating and publishing a clean dataset. Reconcile row counts and key distributions versus the source system so you catch dropped records. Then run validation queries, null rate checks, outlier detection, and referential integrity tests. These confirm transformation correctness. Once satisfied, document applied steps and publish a staged dataset for review. Schedule an initial refresh and monitor errors. If something goes wrong, revert to the previous query step, compare previews, and use the issue log to pinpoint the offending transformation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.